Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Funding Pips account. So first of all, you need to come here on fundingpips.com. Afterwards, simply click on the option of sign in and you need to just sign in into your account first. Now, after doing this, among the given options here in the left hand side, you need to simply click on the option of settings. Then when you are inside the settings, you just have to simply click on the option of account verification. Now over here in the accounts verification, you will be shown the option of start verification. So you just have to simply click on it. Now after clicking on it, you will be landed on the verification page where you need to provide a valid government issued photo ID such as a passport or a driver's license or the national ID card. So you need to make sure that your document is clear and completely visible and it should not be expired. So over here, as you can see, we have the confirmation of country of residence. So you need to simply click on the option of submit. Now over here, you need to select your country, and as per your country, you need to simply select the required document. So I highly recommend you to go with the Aadhaar number and then click on the option of submit. You can also continue this with the help of your phone. It will be very easy for it to basically scan your document. Now you just have to simply put your card or your ID card in the scanner, and then it is going to basically take all the information. Now here is one thing as well. You need to provide a proof of address such as a utility bill or a bank statement which is dated within the last 3 months. So you need to make sure that particular document is also available to you when you are doing a KYC. So you need to simply just upload that document, and you need to basically verify your face as well and submit all of your documents. After doing this, you just have to wait for some time until your KYC is approved. When it is approved successfully, you are going to see its status inside your account. So again, you can click on the option of settings and click on the option of verification, and there you can see the status of your KYC. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.